come with me to fly a drone for nature. Now, I know that might sound a little counterintuitive, but drones are a really amazing tool for us to kind of measure a lot of different things about nature. So if you see here, this weird camera-looking box kind of thing we've attached to it, that's a LiDAR system. Now, what LiDAR does is it shoots a ton of tiny little lasers at the Earth, and based on how those reflect back, we can get all sorts of cool metrics. So things like vegetation height or structure, and it all kind of depends at the different heights at which we fly these different drones. You can attach these to planes. There's terrestrial systems where people can walk around carrying one of these. And I promise the drone's flying normally. I don't know what's going on with the frame right there. But you can see the drone going to its flight path over this ecological experiment that's been set up. And you can kind of pre-program these flight paths so it captures all different elements of the ecosystem. And here's me like trying to zoom in on it a little bit as it's flying away. But it's a really cool program, and they control all of it from this little console right here where you can get full spectral imagery, so like an actual image. You can attach different sensors to the drone as you fly it. Here's the drone safely touching down, which I have learned is one of the scariest parts of it. And then we went and flew the drone over an actual full forest, and you can kind of see the little drone as a little dot way up there, which is so cool. But here's some LiDAR images. This is one of a forest, which is really cool. This is kind of what I do for ecology. But people also use LiDAR for a lot of things like archaeology. So for example, you can shoot LiDAR images down and detect ancient civilizations and buildings. So yeah, there's a ton of really cool applications for this, and there's tons of amazing cool science we can do with drones.